Hey everyone, welcome back to Simple Sense. If you're just starting your investing journey, this video is for you. I'm breaking down the top 3 biggest investing mistakes beginners make, and more importantly, how you can avoid them. Alright, let's kick things off with mistake number 1, trying to time the market. So many beginners think they can wait for the perfect time to invest, maybe after prices drop or after reading some news headline. But here's the truth. Even the best professionals can't consistently time the market. What should you do instead? Focus on time in the market, not timing the market. That means start investing early and stay invested. Over time, those ups and downs smooth out and long-term growth wins. Seriously, if you look at any graph of the stock market over 10 or 20 years, the trend is up, even with all the crazy dips along the way. Now, mistake number 2, not diversifying enough. I see this all the time. Beginners put all their money into one stock or one type of investment, like tech stocks or even crypto. Here's the problem. If that one investment crashes, your whole portfolio takes a hit. So what's the fix? Diversify. Spread your money across different sectors, industries, and even asset classes. Stocks, bonds, ETFs, you name it. A diversified portfolio doesn't just reduce risk, it gives you a smoother, more stable ride. Think of it like making a pie. You don't want just one giant slice of apple. You want a mix of flavors. On to mistake number 3, letting emotions take over. This one's huge. Markets go up and they go down, and when they drop, it's totally normal to feel panicked. A lot of beginners end up selling out of fear when prices fall, and that just locks in their losses. Here's what smart investors do. They stick to their plan. Before you invest, set clear goals and know your risk tolerance. And when the market gets bumpy, remind yourself why you're investing in the first place. Patience pays off. Those dips and recoveries are all part of the journey. Bonus tip, keep learning. Investing isn't a set it and forget it thing. Read books, watch videos, ask questions, and stay curious. And of course, Simple Sense will be here to guide you every step of the way. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Simple Sense, and hit that bell so you never miss a new money tip. Comment below, which investing mistake surprised you the most? Or share your own experience. Let's help each other grow.